Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to do a review on Elai. So Elai is powered by Palmpay. So Elai is now a part of the Palmpay family. So you can click here to learn more. So AI video generator. It's an AI video generator for learning and development. So you can create avatar-based training videos with quizzes in minutes. Turn text to videos in a couple of clicks. Trusted by about 2,000 plus companies around the globe. You can see what it's used for: learning and development, technical training videos, customer education videos, sales enhancement videos. You can see the cases by clicking here. Interactivity has arrived. It's using interactive quizzes and branching inside your video. You can try it now. Very nice. You can hear the feedback from your customers. These are the customers of Elai. So you can hear the feedback from them. So you can generate training video content in your language. You can clone your voice in 28 languages, choose from more than 75 plus languages and 450 plus accents. You can translate videos in just a few clicks. Get started by clicking on Get Started. It also has 80 plus high quality avatars. Look at the avatars. You can see all the avatars by clicking on See All Avatars. So you can create your own presenter. Elai has about 4 different types of avatars: selfie, studio photo, and animated mascot. You can choose the one that fits your needs best. And these avatars are powerful tools for creating high quality engaging video content. They are really good. So you can build with Elai faster. Easily create training videos by choosing a template from the library for about 100 plus templates. 100 plus templates are some of the templates you can choose from. Then it has an all-in-one AI video generator. Elai is an all-in-one AI video generator from text. The platform empowers HR and L&D teams to produce interactive videos without the need for microphones, cameras, or studios. So you can try Elai AI video generator from scripts today. These are the awards. And to get to one of their core values, so they designed Elai platform to protect it. It is built for business growth at enterprise level. So top companies globally use Elai for generative training video content on a large scale. You can contact sales to learn more about their solutions by clicking on this. So this has to do with AI plus video creation, outstanding returns on investment. 7,000 plus dollars saved on video creation. You get a 5% plus increase in user engagement, and on average 5 hours saved on single video production. So these are the features. Now let's look at the features. We have multilingual voice cloning, automated translations, AI storyboard, article to video converter, PPTX to video, avatar dialogues, personalization at scale, create your own avatar, screen recording, and you can see your features by clicking on See Your Features. You see the many ones. It has a lot of features. So once you have to create your account. So if you don't have an account, let's create an account. So you start with the first name. Let's do that again. This is the wrong email. So you start your first name, put the last name, put in the email address, then you create a strong password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, must contain a lowercase, an uppercase, and a number. And then what do you use videos for? Personal use, work or education is for personal use. Then accept the terms or conditions and click on Create Account. And that's it. Next step is to get them to get to know you. They're eager to learn more about you to help you have the best experience. So what's your use case? What do you want to use it for? Let's say I want to use it for order. I don't want to say anything. Then I click on Continue. They have template on creating videos, let's say daily. Click on Continue. How did you hear about them? Let's say online, social media, word of mouth, order, email. Let's say orders. Then click on Finish Setup. Now you check your mailbox to confirm your email and create your first video. So you can also skip. So I'm going to check my mailbox to confirm the email. So I've clicked on verify email from the email I was given, and now I should be able to log in. Yep, I'm in here. So it's open up here for us. And that says welcome to Elai. I'm Gia, your AI video presenter. Create your first AI video today. You can follow quick by the video or start creating right away. So that's it. I think that summarizes all, and I think it's really good. So you decide, give it a try and let us know in the comment section. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.